What's up, guys? Today we're gonna make another video of startup because I got this new mic, this Rode video mic that I connected to my phone, and might install some floor mats. I know it's gonna get wild, so watch and listen. It is freezing, and I'm not wearing enough layers. Floor mat install, how to. Get so many views and people know how to install the mats. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna put them in. The old ones didn't match. This is the new one that I hope matches. I haven't looked at it in the car yet. So, and it's like 30 degrees or some shit right now, and it's sleeting. I'm sure you guys saw that. Damn it. I don't think you can see the sleet. I don't think you can see the rain in this phone. So anyways, get that perfect angle. It's all about the angles. That's what my YouTubers that I follow have taught me. There's the old one. There's the new one. That matches way better. Alright, so I'll make this like a how-to. So first, you step over the oil, because you don't want to step in it. Take the old mat, grab it, pull it out, and you fucking throw it. Then you take your new one, and you throw it in. Of course, that stuff I'll just take off later, whatever. But look at that, that looks way better. Woohoo! And it fits better. And let's see if this thing... Well, it should start because it started last week. Sorry if that's loud. Maybe it's a bit too loud with the cutout open to be revving it. So, but that's the end of the video. Alright, see you guys. I don't have that many followers, but bye.